Have you ever wondered where your photos, apps, or even entire websites are stored? You keep hearing about the cloud? But what is it exactly? In this video, we're breaking down what cloud computing is, how it works, and why it's shaping the future of business, technology, and even your daily life. Stick around. You'll be surprised how much of your world already depends on the cloud. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services, like storage, databases, networking, software, and analytics, over the internet. Instead of using your own computer's hard drive or a local server, you're accessing powerful data centers remotely. In simple terms, the cloud is someone else's computer, just much bigger, faster, and more secure. Think Google Drive, iCloud, or Dropbox. When you upload a file, you're using cloud computing. But it goes far beyond that. Businesses use the cloud to run websites, store customer data, manage online stores, and much more. There are three main types of cloud computing services. First, SaaS, software as a service. Think of Gmail, Microsoft 365, or Zoom. Software you use directly in your browser without installing anything. Next, PaaS, platform as a service. Used by developers to build and test applications without worrying about infrastructure. Examples include Heroku and Google App Engine. And finally, IaaS, infrastructure as a service. This gives you full control over virtual machines, storage, and networking. Services like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud fall here. Each type serves a different purpose, from simple use to full back-end control. Cloud computing is transforming industries, and here's why. Scalability. Need more storage or computing power? You can scale up in seconds. Cost efficiency? You only pay for what you use, so there's no need to buy expensive servers. Remote work and global access. Your team can work from anywhere. All they need is internet. Security and backup. Top providers offer enterprise-grade security and automatic backups. This is why startups and giants like Netflix, Spotify, and Airbnb rely on cloud services to stay fast, flexible, and global. There are several major cloud providers. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is the biggest player, used by companies like Netflix and NASA. Microsoft Azure is great for businesses already using Windows or Office. Google Cloud is known for machine learning and data analytics. Others include IBM Cloud, Oracle Cloud, and Alibaba Cloud. These companies run massive data centers across the world, offering speed, reliability, and customization. But cloud computing isn't perfect. Here are a few concerns. Data privacy. You're trusting a third party with your information. Downtime risks. If the provider goes down, you could lose access temporarily. Vendor lock-in. Once you build everything on one provider, switching can be hard. That's why companies balance cloud use with backups and multi-cloud strategies. The cloud isn't just storage, it's the foundation for the future of AI, big data, remote work, gaming, and more. As 5G and edge computing grow, cloud services will become even faster and smarter. So next time you open an app or stream a video, remember, you're already using the cloud. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Are you already using cloud services without realizing it? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.